Good evening, students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home and you are doing your study well. So, as we were doing chapter number 13, surface area and volume. Surface area we have completed and we have started with volume. So, yesterday we have completed volume of cube and cuboid. Today we will start with cylinder. As already we have discussed about the cylinder, that when number of circular discs are placed one over the other, we get a cylindrical shape. Okay. So, here we have to find the volume. Volume means the amount of matter contained in a figure. Now here we have to find the amount of matter that is up to height h and its base is circular. So volume is base area into height. As base is circle, so its area is pi r square and height is h, means pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height, and its unit we will take as cubic meter or cubic centimeter. Okay student, so only one formula is there which we will use in this exercise, that is volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now let us start with exercise. In exercise, in first question you have given that the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. You have to tell how much water will it contain if 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Now, as we know, to find volume we need pi, r and h. H is given but we are not having r. So let us see how to find. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is given, so we can write 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 132. Then r will be 132 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Now solve it. 2 cancel by 132 66, 22 cancel 3. So 7 into 3 21 centimeter. This is the r. Now we have to find volume. So volume is pi r square h. Volume pi r square h. Pi 22 upon 7, r 7 and h is given to us 25. 7 7 cancel. When we multiply these three, we will get 27 into 1 minute students, here r is 21. So 7 3s are 21 and by multiplying all this we will get 34650 cubic centimeter. Now we have to find how much water it can be contained, as 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So 34650 cubic centimeter is equal to, we will divide these two, that is 34.650 liter. This much water is contained in that cylindrical tank. Okay. Now let us start with second question. Here we have given inner diameter of a circular tank is 24 and outer 28 and its length is 35. You have to tell how much mass will it contain if 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 0.6 gram. So here you have a circular pipe like this, cylindrical pipe. Okay, as you know, in pipe inside is hollow and we have to find how much mass will it contain. It means we have to find volume of this portion. So volume of this portion will be inner volume minus outer volume minus inner volume. So firstly volume is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. Now outer volume is pi r square h r2 h2. H is same in both and here pi r1 square h. Pi h we can take common, r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, pi 22 upon 7, h means length, that is 35, r is now here diameter, so r is 12 and r2 14. Put the values, 14 square minus 12 square. You will get, cut these two, 110 into, here a square minus b square we can apply, that is a plus b, 14 plus 12 26, a minus b 2, 26 into 2 52, and 52 multiply by this we will get 5720 cubic centimeter. Okay, this is the volume of the pipe. Now we have to find the weight. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 0.6 gram, and 5720 cubic centimeter is equal to 5720 into 0.6, that is 3432.0 gram. Okay, this is the mass of that pipe. Now students, you will try these two questions. If any doubt is there, then you can discuss with me in Zoom session. Thank you.